What's happening, guys? Doing a thermostat on a Vauxhall Corsa 2011. It's a Corsa D, I think it is, Corsa D. And the thermostat stopped working and it was causing the car to overheat. I went to the shop to buy a new thermostat and I forgot to take the thermostat out the shop. So when I got to the customer, I didn't have a thermostat. So I took it out and knocked out the internals. But with the internals knocked out, the sensor can't work, so the coolant fans just stay on flat out all the time. So it's not like it's not a repair that we can do. Again in the future. So this was what happened last night. I just knocked out the whole internals just to get the flow back so it wouldn't overheat. And here, this part here, I forgot it at the shop. I went back to the shop to buy some silicone. The bastard charged me £16 for the silicone. I think when I got that price, it just knocked my head off, and I just walked out the shop without the bloody thermostat. So I'm not even going to use silicone this time. I'm just going to put, use some Scotch-Brite, clean up that surface, and then put this new part on, and job done.